What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're kind of just taking the day as it goes. You can see the weather is not all too great, but the rain just ended, so I'm actually going to go ahead and wash the Z right now and show you guys a little surprise about what we did to the Z finally. I was really excited. It really came out nice and it was a quick, easy install. But yeah, I'm just trying to do a local car wash. You guys will see, I'll probably throw in a couple clips of that. And then I'm really just out here honestly trying to capture some TikTok footage. I'm going to drive to a couple of spots and mess around with my iPhone a little bit and just see if I can put together some cool videos. I've been having fun with that, just practicing a little bit, like when I'm on work on lunch or something like that. But I want to do it for real and just put some good effort into it. So I figured I'd give it a couple 15-20 minutes here and there at each spot and see what I could do. Yo, I couldn't grab the camera in time, but these kids were so pumped to see the Z. They were doing the little honk thing, you know? So I quickly switched maps into the flame map and just revved the shit out of it and got a nice little bang for them. So yeah, that was funny. But dude, I remember being one of those kids, so I just wanted to give back. That was funny. All right, everybody, we just got here and I'm honestly not gonna make you wait anymore. Check it out. Got the Morimoto Tail Lights. They look fantastic. This is just on the daytime running mode, where you get the matching headlights, then just do the daytime running lights. So I'm by myself. I don't have anyone to show you the reverse lights or anything like that. I could do the hazards when I'm done, just to show you what the turn signals look like. But the reverse lights that come out right here, and they're just a nice LED square, super bright. These are super bright. They look really mean. I like it on the side. Everything about these headlights look great. Tail lights, sorry. I'm pumped though, this thing's really dirty. Gotta give it a nice little wash. And then she'll be ready for the videos and photos coming up here. This is the before. All right, you guys, she's all clean. Figure I'll show you what it looks like before and after, like I said. Got the daytime running lights on. Here's what they look like in the back. I'm in love with these things. It makes the whole car look brand new. It's amazing. I'll give you guys the hazards now real quick. So here's what the hazards look like, or the turn signals if it was one at a time. Super bright. And a little thing I love about the Z, I love how on the side it does that. That's factory. And then the headlights in the front match perfectly as well. It's awesome. We're just cruising. I'm let the car air dry because they don't actually have the dryer there, and I didn't bring a towel. I just brought some Meguiar's Quick Wax and some tire stuff to make it pop and be shiny, and some microfibers. So I'm gonna go detail it when we're done driving. See you later, Mr. Popo. Leave me alone. So yeah, I'm gonna pull over at the next location that you guys are familiar with, and you know, detail it up a little bit and get you guys some good footage for the TikToks. Link in the description below. Bro, this little kid is trying to play with me. It's hilarious. Look, it's like an older guy in it. Look at this dude. He's got a watch on. He's like 50. You don't want the smoke, bro. You don't want it. He's got a fat ass chin. You guys see that? He's probably a nice guy, but bro, he can't pick on a full bolt on Z in that thing. Come on. Unfortunately, they're doing construction under here nowadays, but I'll still do a little something, something. Never mind, it's wet. I'm not gonna die for nothing. Buddy gave me a thumbs up. I wonder if he knows me. Let's see. Yo, thank you. I don't think he knows me, but he's giving me a thumbs up. I'll take it. Bro, they took my spot. What's going on over here, bro? This is such a beautiful location. And now they got all these guys squatted up back here. Well, I mean, I could face this way, I guess. I don't have to expose that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Let's do it. All right, I just got it here. Give you a quick walk around. I'm gonna dry it up and detail it like I was saying. I think this will be a cool enough little background for some clips. Yeah, it'll work. Even though, like I said, everyone's just chilling right here. Look what's behind this. This is what I'm saying. This is what I wanted as the background. Yeah, look at this is what's behind me. So this would have been nice, but I mean the other side's gonna do fine, right? We'll be all right. This will have to do. Whew. All right, I just finished cleaning it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on. Even all the door jambs are clean. The wheels are clean. Ah, only thing I forgot. I gotta put the wheel cleaner on. I'll do that 1 second. Boom, tire shine is now on. Now this is the finished look. Just give you a quick walk around. Dude, it's such a pain in the ass. Look at my hands. But damn, dude, she's all good. Black paint is really hard to work with. I'm gonna go to get some videos now. All right, everybody, that's gonna call it for this walk around. I turned it around a couple times, got a lot of cool shots, cool videos. I'm pumped. This thing came out really nice. I'm really obsessed with the double Morimoto tail light headlight combo. It looks fire. Not much POV today. Like the streets are a little bit wet, so like this thing spins, no lie. So I'm just gonna play it safe. All right, so we're all done at the shooting spot now. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. But before I go, we'll have a little fun here for you guys. Spin City, baby. All right, change of plans. I pulled over at one more spot. This looks like a nice little spot to shoot, get some quick photos in. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, so I found a spot to rev for you guys a little bit. So I'm gonna give you a little clip of the exhaust. Let me know what it sounds like. I'm gonna get in trouble, so I'm gonna leave because I've been doing this for a little bit. Same for the TikToks. Go check it out. All right, we're rolling out of here. It was a fun spot while it lasted. Be sure to check out my Instagram in the description below, besides the TikTok, because I did take a bunch of awesome photos. She's moving. Still working on it. It's hard to get it to like stay bursting and stuff like that. It just goes some fatties, bro. The old stomping grounds, boys. We're gonna do some more photos. I'm having a good day. I'm also kind of bored at home right now, so. Okay. It's a little loud. We'll be quiet. My bad. Haven't been in this garage in a long time with the loud car. That's funny. Go to second, will be nice. Alright everybody, as you can see, I am here editing the video again, and of course I left out some important transitions. So after the photos in the parking garage, I ended up just coming home and I wanted to show off a new laptop purchase I just made recently, and I kind of went over the specs and some cool stuff about it, as well as kind of going over this whole setup here. And yeah, so I kind of just threw that in right here, so you'll see that footage right here. I also just wanted to show you PC nerds out there that I did get a nice gaming desktop. Let me open that up real quick. Come on, finger ID please. Pin is required. So I just wanted to show you guys I did upgrade. I got a nice new laptop here. It's got an i9 11th gen in it. As you can see right here, it's got a GTX 3060. I got 16 gigs of RAM in here. It does have a terabyte solid state drive, 165 hertz, because might as well be able to game on here a little bit too. We got a built-in webcam, LED backlit keyboard, and I bought a wireless Logitech G Pro mouse with the adapter right there to be able to use that. Just for more ease of use. I mean, I can use a trackpad, don't get me wrong. It's actually pretty easy to use. Here's my channel pulled up, for example. It runs really good. It's a 16-inch display. It's more than 2K resolution, less than 4K. Everything I need. Got the Z1 Motorsports mouse pad. Look at the back of this thing though. Hopefully it picks up on camera. Yeah, you can see that. It's rainbowy and black. It's super nice. Very, very quiet when you want it to be quiet. Or you can put it on performance mode when you're gaming, of course. You do have to have it powered when you do that. And it runs like a workhorse. But yeah, this is gonna help me be able to make content a lot easier and on the go and all that good stuff. If you were wondering what I had on my main computer, I'll show you real quick. Here's one of Sonny's balls, LOL. All right, my main computer setup. I got two 24-inch monitors. I have a RTX 2070. I have 16 gigs of RAM. I got a Cooler Master water cooler. I have a terabyte hard drive and a terabyte solid state drive. I don't know why I said hard drive, kind of weird there. And I feel like I'm missing something. Ooh, I got a Ryzen 2700X in here. Of course, I got my Bitcoin little coin in here that Nikki got me. I'm running the Eero Mesh Network, Eero Arctis Pros. Sorry, not Eero Arctis Pros. I got the SteelSeries Arctis Pros, Eero Mesh Network. Logitech G560 speakers with the subwoofer on the bottom. 10 out of 10 recommend. Logitech keyboard. I think this is the G910. I forgot. Yep, 910. SteelSeries Sensei mouse. I didn't know I was going to do a crash course breakdown on the whole setup for you guys, but I even got an Arazi new chair. Invest in your posture, boys. Definitely recommend. If you guys remember, I used to paintball, so this is all signed by Dynasty. And yeah, that's the tour of the little office. It's kind of incomplete. It's just what I got for now, because we're only here for like a year and a half. So I don't want to put too much effort into it, but I didn't want to leave the room too empty either, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to get to working on this video, see what I got footage-wise, and I'll probably mix it in with a bunch of other stuff. Sorry I didn't record for you guys about the taillight install. Me and my dad just kind of knocked it out in like 30 minutes, to be honest, and busy day. I just didn't want to pick up the camera and waste time or anything like that. But as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Hit that thumbs up button. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And follow all my social medias, link in the description below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I also have some pretty awesome footage from the other day of a random Maserati that ran into me on the highway. He found me with my license plate, which was awesome on Instagram, so he sent me some clips as well as some of the footage I have on my GoPro that I got. So enjoy this awesome footage right here. That sound, dude. I just can't get enough of it. The flames between shifts is the best. No? I was with them, bro. Hey, he said he took that? I don't know, bro. I can reel him in or I can get a better start. That was close though, I'll give him that. The Maserati's dope. 1, 2, 3. Got him. Got him.